Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Koz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you have joined me here. It's crunch time for this girl. It's crunch time for me and a bunch of other wonderful artists. We are only, 5 weeks away from the Fluid Art Experience coming at you in Asheville. Beautiful downtown Asheville, guys. You've heard me before. I'm more excited about this event than the 9 other events that I have worked. Love my mountains, love Asheville. Can't wait to share that with you guys. But one of my classes, which was my first class I ever taught, is Swiping 101. And I'm here to practice my Swiping 101. What has to happen is each artist has to order all their paints and their canvases and decide on colors and whatnot many weeks before the event happens and get them shipped off to a designated space. So I am working on my color combinations for the Swiping 101 class, which is so much fun, guys. So let's talk about those colors and what my thoughts are. I've got 2 base coat colors, and the reason I have 2 base coat colors is I want to give my students the option of using one color, using 2 colors, mixing those 2 colors together to make a 3rd color. All lots and lots of fun stuff. And what we have is Creative Inspirations, and that is their Payne's Gray. Really good paint, guys. If you haven't used it, well priced. Jerry's Art Aroma. And then we also have Creative Inspirations in the Titanium White. I don't have the bottle, it's way over there. So we have 2 base coat colors, and I'm probably going to do a split base coat. White on top or the Payne's Gray on top, I don't know. But let's talk about our colors because I think they're going to be yummy and fun. In this cup right here, we have for funsies the Vallejo Pearl Medium. Right here is one of the paints that we will also be using at the Fluid Art Experience. This is Amsterdam Expert Series, probably my favorite color. One of my favorite colors with Amsterdam, and this is their Expert Series in the Phthalo Blue. I always want to say green. It's the Phthalo Blue hue, and oh my goodness, is that absolutely yummy. Golden Fluids in the Viridian Green hue. Golden Fluids in the Teal or the Blue Lagoon. Yummy piggies coming at you. This little piggy in the Lily Pad. And this little piggy in the Sea Glass. Now, why did I choose these paints? I chose them for several reasons. We have kind of a heavy body paint in the Vallejo Pearl Medium. We have a medium to heavier body paint in the Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. We have some fluid paints, and we have some pigments. And I want to teach you how to mix different density paints to the proper consistency to get a perfect swipe. I want to teach you what your base coat paint's consistency should be. I want to teach you how to get your pigments to the right consistency. All of these things that this girl has learned along her painting journey. So I'm beyond excited. Oh, one more thing. The Amsterdam Turquoise Blue is mixed with the secret sauce, the Aussie Floetrol. This paint and only this paint is mixed. 1 part paint, 2.5 to sometimes 3 parts of the Aussie Floetrol because the Expert Series paints are quite thick. All of our other paints Got a squirt of GAC 800 and then our pouring medium, which is 50% strained American Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium. So there you have it, guys. I am swiping with this girl's favorite Bounty paper towels. Don't you know they have the right weight to them once I dampen the ends of them. So we're going to get jiggy with it. We're going to put down our base coat. We're going to do some simple swiping. I might even throw in a swoosh swipe. I don't know, but we're testing these colors to make sure they're going to make us happy, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Let's get busy.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. For me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me, should I've known? Try my best to move on. it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on,